Hey everybody, it's Joe the UCX guy, and I'm here with a Cisco 1140E phone. Just kidding, it's April Fool's Day. See here? April 1st. This is a Nortel 1230 IP phone working in the Unistim platform on the UCX from eMetrotel. It is a very nifty phone. It is a larger executive model. This would be the kind of phone that would be in executive office or in the receptionist area. You can actually add a sidecar. If you see, I have a 1220 over there with a sidecar on it. This phone operates in both SIP and Unistim firmware. I choose to use the Unistim on the UCX, but you can use both. If you notice, the top part of the phone has the message waiting light and 10 buttons. I have the first two programmed here. Key 1 and key 2 is actually the DN numbers, and the rest are feature buttons. Time and date. You have the PBX mode. You can also change this to North Star BCM mode with a feature button there on the UCX. Programmable buttons here. Message is one of them that's defaulted. So if you press that, you can get the voicemail. Here you have your volume up, volume down, mute, hands-free, goodbye or release, probably my favorite button on the phone. Applications, headset, and hold. And the speakerphone is underneath the handset. And the phone is a very sleek, as you see here, clean, nicely designed IP handset. Not quite as fancy as like this 1165E or the 1140 or 1150 back there, but still this was a lower cost option developed in 2007 to help people get IP communications on the Nortel platform for not quite as much money as the 1100 series. So let's just do a couple features on this phone so you can kind of get an idea of how this works. Let's say I get a phone call to another phone. Okay, so I'm calling that phone and I want to pick it up from this phone. I can press DN pickup. And then 44698 is the phone ringing, and press enter, and I'm now connected. You see the display says call pickup. Now let's say I want to call this phone from this Meridian 1 phone, and I don't want to be bothered. I can just simply press ignore and the phone stops ringing. That's kind of a cool thing. Oops, I can't press release. It's going to answer it to do that. Tells me I have one missed call. That's a good thing to have. You can always lift up the handset to get rid of that. It doesn't stay on there all the time, which is kind of nice actually. So let's say we get a voicemail to this phone. We'll go ahead and call the voicemail system.
The person at extension 47371 is unavailable. Please leave your message after the tone. When done, hang up or press number sign.
Hey Joe, it's Joe. Hey, it's April Fool's Day. So, I heard you really hate phones. Yeah, okay. Well, that's an April Fool's joke, I think. And if you notice, the one new message appeared on the display, and the actual red LED indicator came on. So we can check that voicemail message by pressing the message button.
Password. Login incorrect.
Oops.
Password. You have one first message.
Hey Joe, it's Joe. Hey, it's April Fool's Day. So, I heard you really hate phones. Yeah, okay. Well, that's an April Fool's joke, I think.
Press 3 for advanced option. Message deleted. No more goodbye.
And even notice I had the UCX mail programmed in an auto dial up there. Let's say I want to make a voice call to another phone. I can simply press voice call and dial the extension. We're going to dial the... We just did that 1140 right over there where a voice call done. And it's kind of neat. The display shows you actually the feature that you're doing. I'm going to go ahead and page. So I'm going to dial the paging access zone. John, your call part down 630, please, John, 630. and then I can press goodbye so you don't hear the annoying hang-up noise. That's pretty much some of the great features about this phone, except that I do want to show you how an incoming call comes into it from the outside. So let's go ahead and make a call here.
Good day. Thank you for calling Joe's Place. One moment, please.
So I have a program, so you see the DID coming in, and then the name, which is Chicago here, calling. And then once it's online, and then I can press park. It's now parked. Then I can go to any other phone, like this phone here. And I'm now connected. So that's pretty cool about this phone. It has a lot of great features. It's a very robust phone. And I'm Joe, the UCX guy, and have a great day.